Hi everybody, it's me, Bleau. So, happy St. Patrick's Day! I am wearing different shades of green. And I have cute little green earrings that are turtles. Aren't they so cute? Have you pinched anyone? I just want to say that pinching is appropriate if you have clean hands. So today I'm going to show you how to make glittery hand soaps. Let's get started. First you'll need a clear soap base. Containers that are safe for the microwave, like bowls and stuff. Dyes, body glitter, essential oils, and molds. I'm using these dinosaur molds and these heart molds. Start by breaking off some chunks of your soap base and put it in your bowl and put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Add your fragrance. If your soap starts to harden, throw it in the microwave for another 10 seconds. If you're doing two colors, separate your mixture into two different bowls. Next, add your dye and mix it up. Add in lots of body glitter. Pour your mixture into your molds. Now all you have to do is wait for your soaps to harden. Everybody, I'm just so you know, I'm a wonderful gymnast, and let me show you my gymnast skills in my one and only back bend. My hair. Okay, try number 2. My arms. I'm just warming up. Okay, 1, 2. That was 3 seconds, that was good. You have to admit that was good, okay? Now all you have to do is take them out of the molds and wash your hands. That's it. If you like my video, do not forget to subscribe. And don't forget to like my videos and watch all the other cool Glitter Girls videos. Bye! Okay, 1, 2, my hair is always gonna wet.